So, crazy birds in this tree, if you can hear them. There's actually hundreds of crows in that tree, and a smaller flock of birds in that tree there. There's probably about 30 of them there now. A lot of them flew away. But about 5 minutes ago, between the two trees, there was probably 300 birds fighting, flying in two flocks. One of the flocks of birds was just slightly smaller than what appeared to be these crows, who are now going absolutely crazy. And other crows continue to fly from these other trees into this tree. Looks like now they're spreading. Whatever they've come to do, it appears they've done. If their goal was to chase these smaller birds out of that tree, looks like that's what has happened. Now you see some of them trying to fly back. Right there. See what happens. Oh, look at that. Look at that. And now they're going out on the attack again. Many of those little birds have just flown back and landed in this some shorter tree to the right. And the bigger birds are just going crazy again. And like I said, when they get enough, they're gone. That's one of the smaller ones. I've never seen anything like this. Or heard. I have never heard a group of crows that loud. It's insane. If they're even crows. They look like crows. Yeah, that tree over there still got probably at least 20 birds still in it of the littler ones. More birds flying back, see what happens. See if they can get a flush out of that tree again. Well, looks like it's died down now, as these many of the bigger birds flew back to wherever their home tree is what I think has happened. And some of the birds have stayed here to protect it, because these little birds keep trying to come and take it back over. Which, since it's mating time of year, they may have nests there, which is why they'd be protecting it as a bird. Alright, well, action's died down. That was crazy though.